Adobe just connected Lightroom directly to Firefly, which means you can now send your photo to AI, completely transform it, and you can also send that photo from Lightroom and turn it into a video. Today, I'm showing you one of the biggest updates in Lightroom in a long time. Adobe has integrated Lightroom Classic and Lightroom Desktop directly with Firefly. So this is how to edit in Firefly from Lightroom. Let's walk through it step by step. In the Library module or Development module, select the photo you want to edit. This is only available when a single image is selected. Choose a RAW or JPEG image, right-click on the photo, and select Generate using Firefly, Edit Photo. This is the Firefly webpage that opened, and I'm going to select a model here. I'm going to select an Adobe model or a partner model. I'm going to go with Gemini 2.5, Nano Banana, and I'm going to choose an aspect ratio of 3:2, and I'm going to add a text prompt describing how I want this to generate. Something like this. Restore this photo, take out all the cracks and creases, restore color, and click Generate. This is going to take a while. It's going to use 10 credits. And here it is. Did pretty good. Here's the before, and here's the after. This was actually a photo of a painting, and it did a pretty good job. And of course, you can go further and edit into Firefly, or you could have done this in Photoshop by using one of the neural filters to restore. I think this is a lot better, but here it is again, the before and the after. To do the same thing in Lightroom Desktop, to select the image, this could be a JPEG or a RAW file, come up here to the share icon and come to the edit image under Firefly. Firefly now allows you to animate your photo. In the Library module or Development module, select the photo you want to edit. Right-click on the photo and select Generate using Firefly, and then Generate Video from Photo. You can also select Generate using Firefly from the File menu. On the Firefly webpage that opens, in the General Settings section, configure the following options. Model, I'm going to go with the VO 3.1 Fast. So this is the video generation model used to create the video, with options for Adobe or partner models. You can choose your resolution. For now, I'm going to go with 720p. You can also choose 1080p. Choose aspect ratio. I'm going to go with 16:9. In the frames per second, you can control the smoothness of the video motion with 24 frames per second as the default. And duration sets the total playback length of the generated video, available in 4, 6, and 8 seconds. And audio controls the inclusion and quality of the video's sound, allowing you to enable or disable the audio track as needed. And then you just click Generate over here on the right. As you can see, it uses 80 credits. I've already done it once. No need to do it again. Here is the result right here. So I'm going to play it right now. So this is all 8 seconds of my animation of my photo. And of course, there's more up here at the top. You can use Firefly and edit further. But this is just getting a photo from the Lightroom Classic or Lightroom Desktop and adding animation to it, adding motion. If we were to do this same photo and turn it into a video in Lightroom Desktop, you would come up here to this share icon and come down to generate video. Let me show you this one more time. Another example. This time I'm going to come up to File, Generate using Firefly, Generate Video from Photo. Same as before, the general settings, I'm going to use the same model and resolution and aspect ratio. Frames per second is 24 frames per second and 8 seconds duration. And here's my prompt. Have the model smile and wave and walk to the right. And this used 80 credits, so it takes too much time to do it again, plus another 80 credits. But here is the result. So there's the animation, smiling, waving, and walking away to the right. Do that again. I don't know what he's saying, but it is an animated version of the photo from Lightroom. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for for more Lightroom and photography tutorials. Tell me in the comments, would you actually use AI video for your photos, or is this going too far? Remember, it's never too late to learn. Thanks for watching.